Winter is coming, and my light is entirely gone. Come on, Spark. Please, Spark! Wait for me! I'm not ready yet! Don't worry, Lumina. We'll fix your glow together. Snow, if I don't fly soon, I'll freeze. I have to find the Ever-Ember. It's my only chance.
None pass the route without a toll, little bug.
It's so dark. How will I ever find it? Pip! You followed me! I couldn't let my best friend brave the dark alone. Hide! Quickly! Please work. Please give me my light back. It didn't work. I'm broken.
You're not broken, Lumina. You just needed a friend.
You gave me my light back! Come on, let's catch up to the others!